How does a car brand become a legend, collapse, and then return under new owners? Bugatti. Based in Molsheim, France, on the France-Germany border, here's the core of the story. The original Bugatti didn't fail because it was out-designed. It failed because its leadership and its world broke at the same time. Ettore Bugatti built the company in the early 1900s around one idea: a higher standard. He obsessed over weight, balance, and finish. He wanted cars that were fast, but also elegant and precisely made. Racing turned that standard into reputation. The Bugatti Type 35 became one of the most successful race cars ever, and the name Bugatti started to mean winning in the most public way possible. But a company doesn't survive on reputation alone. It survives on operators. In the 1930s, that operator became Ettore's son, Jean Bugatti. In 1936, Jean takes operational control and becomes the day-to-day leader. He isn't just carrying the family name, he's the person responsible for keeping the factory running and the next models moving. In 1939, Jean Bugatti dies during a test drive. Bugatti loses its successor just as Europe slides into war. Wartime disruption and shifting borders squeeze the business, and the conditions that made a luxury performance brand possible disappear. Ettore dies in 1947. With Jean already gone, there is no clear successor to rebuild the car business. The original Bugatti era fades out. The name stays famous, but the company stops functioning as a real car maker. By 1950, the factory was largely quiet, and the restart never truly took off. By 1952, the original Bugatti era had effectively ended as a car maker. For decades, Bugatti is mostly a memory: rare cars, collectors, and a reputation that grows even while the factory is quiet. Different groups try to restart the brand, but rebuilding a myth is harder than starting from zero. You have to rebuild engineering, suppliers, testing, quality control, and trust, while the audience expects a miracle. The comeback that finally sticks happens when Volkswagen buys the Bugatti rights and rebuilds the operation back in Molsheim. The goal isn't to make a competitive supercar. The goal is to make a car that proves the Bugatti standard can exist again, in the modern world. That's where the Veyron comes in. It launches with 1,001 horsepower. And the real achievement is that it isn't a one-off stunt. It works as a repeatable product. The factory can build it, deliver it, and support it, which is what turns a headline into a company. If you like stories like this, how power is built in silence, subscribe for more brand legends. Bugatti today is a new company wearing an old name. The original family company didn't survive the century, but the idea survived, and modern owners turned that idea back into a working factory.